COVID-19 has created a physical and emotional business crisis. Decontaminate, disinfect, sanitize, sterilize, whatever your concern, results must be the same to quickly remove fear and anxiety that your facility is or could be a dangerous place to visit. Thus, it becomes imperative to create a predictable, controlled, and managed perception that your facility is healthy, and then to deliver on that promise for each and every client. The Protexus sprayer and backpack, an enhanced cleaning and disinfection system, can deliver such a promise. It's time to open your doors and stay open with safety confidence.
As a gym owner, knowing that it's actually being cleaned, we can just go in there, spray it down.
I think what's really needed is for gyms to be able to say, hey, we got clean equipment, we got clean locker rooms, clean showers, and it's not going to be a problem for you here.
Parents depend on us to keep this place clean, and sanitizing ultimately leads to children not being sick. I walk around and I spray the entire building with the sprayer. I can go in and reach everywhere our little children can get their hands on. This product is so easy to use.
This is the new Protexus sprayer that we just purchased. The drivers, all of them loved it. In fact, some of the drivers want to buy this on their own. So everyone was excited about it. This is why we're investing in the Protexus sprayers, to provide a clean, safe environment to get our kids to school every day.
The battery-powered Protexus electrostatic sprayer and its custom-designed pump system atomizes the disinfecting or sanitizing solution. Droplets pass an electrode inside the nozzle, creating a magnetic charged spray that seeks out and wraps around all touch points, grounded room surfaces, and hard-to-reach areas that are easily missed. It's more than sanitation. It's 360 degrees touchless disinfecting that is unbelievably easy to use, so training is a snap. Now you can be assured of 100% room saturation versus 25% coverage from traditional cleaning methods, and twice as fast as traditional cleaning methods. Smart sanitation decisions are now a matter of life and whether or not your business survives. Give back control to your customers and employees with a new way to make your world a safer, healthier place to be.